team yami abafana bebadlale kahle pit defender yami namhlanje bekunkosinati
Bani?
unkosinati
Oh yeah, Usibisi, yeah.
Yeah, bengidlala kamnandi fulela lakhe belimnandi lakhe yonke into yakhe bemnandi bengifuna ukubona la mfana lo othatha amanothi wakhe
Bani?
Oh number 49 ngothi ubani sengikhohle igama lakhe
Oh kama lo ungenele police yes
la mfana udlala kamnandi I think udlala njengomfukeng I think naye bazomthatha because of now udlala kamnandi yabo ke like namhlanje phakathi first game first thing izinto sizothatha namhlanje kuzoba i-careful i-M108 sathatha lezi ne-black label lakhe
so uthatha i-careful M1018
nani
ne-PSL
yebo sithatha leli
so you are taking trouble again
in
fact you are
triple incane this
ingane uthatha quadruple
yonke
quadruple
yebo nkele so njengoba ku-preseason babuyikosayina abantu ama-player amasha sababongele basayina isitraka sintsha se-Norway uwisa ngathi sabongela
umbonile
ngimbonile nkele ayishi nawe uzodlala njengoHaaland
uzozi
sabonga nkeli i-Warrior yami seku-Apolis ngoba bebathiwa Apolis bamsayinile i-FC Port manje sekadlala kanjani eligini yethu
maybe amahem
sisingathi ile social media sitshela amanga sisithi
bayayithembi kakhulu social media phela bashayisha ne mara do you think uzohamba this season after this season or police uzohamba ne
I think ngiyazospend isikhathi esiningi adlala ku-Pirates yeah uzotshintsha team ngeke asadlala team yala Africa
ne
angeke
uzoya ngale phesheya
yeah fanele
ne
nalama penalty kamfukeng bakasha
ubonile umfuke isona
anmesa la sidlane mazu ashayibinga ke I think itarget yakhe bekuyile anmesa yena
ababa second half apass umbonile
yebo
ne
la mfana
wababa mfukeng
yababa nke
wababa mfukeng urengo yena mfethu message for mfukeng
mfukeng awudlale kahle lapho nanoma ungathola ibhala ndonyana nanoma ungeke uzithola akayisho ithole balendo yakhona
la mini must watch out
awulamini mela bheke noDembele wakhona
noDembele wakhona
Nombape Mbappe nke sekazoretire asekho isidingo sakhe
show member dango boy